90-mile-an-hour gusts in Wales. Yeah, it's been very windy. Storms brought all this tree down in my garden. Storms. Look at that. Brought down my tree in my garden. How terrible. So it looks like we got some chainsaw work to get on with to clean it all up. Just hope it hasn't done any damage to the roof. There we are. Well, Jesus said, sea and the waves will roar. So how much more is it going to roar on land? If the sea and the waves roar, storms are going to increase, as Jesus said, Luke 21:25. And sadly it's brought this tree down. Trampoline's gone. Well, praise the Lord for that. At least I wasn't bouncing on the trampoline when it came down. Yeah, we've had 100-mile-an-hour winds hit Scotland, and now we've had about 70-mile-an-hour gusts. 5 seconds! Hey! What's the first part then? I got some buzzards.